Hello, 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 this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Ta-da! I finished the sweater and it turned out fantastic. I just love the end result. I love how soft it is, and it's knit in V-neck, top down. I do have a tutorial on how to knit the neck, and I do have a tutorial on how to do the increases on the Revlon. The yarn, I bought it from a local Canadian yarn seller. It has silk in it, and I just felt the silk. It was a little bit tough to knit with 3-strand, but I managed to knit it, and I just really love the end result. So you guys enjoy the clip that I have created. Unfortunately, there is no background music due to copyright on YouTube, but you are welcome to come and check my Instagram page and my TikTok page. You guys take care, and I'll see you on my next videos. Bye-bye.